till it connects. I'll tell you. Connecting. And wait up here till it'll say welcome. It'll say welcome pilot. Okay, so now it's ready to go. So this turns it on. Press and hold that for a couple seconds, 3 seconds. Okay, let it go. Alright, so blades are running. To start filming, you just press that button and that turns on the video and it shows you right there, start record. Push this and hold it straight up and it'll take off. Just hold it. Push it up a little bit. That's it. Now let it go. So you let it go, it'll just hover there. Ooh, first flight gear. Okay, yep, push it, that'll go forward. That makes it go side to side. Backwards. It's coming backwards. Okay. Alright, let that one go. Push it forward. Now push this one forward at the same time. It'll go up. Okay. Cool. Alright.
I like rotate it.
This one. Push it to the side.
Okay.
Alright, so like now when you're flying, when you push this forward, push this one, yeah, push this one forward to go straight, and then push that one to the right at the same time. And it'll go and turn. Alright. And it shows you where the camera's pointing. And there's a slider up here that'll make the camera go down and up. All the way up is straight, and then down it'll go straight down. There's a big bird. Look, he's circling. He's coming to get us. Alright, so take it up in the air. Take it up higher. Go ahead, yep, just push it straight up. Keep going. Keep going so it's like above these trees here. Alright, so take it straight somewhere, or turn it that way, turn it to the left. No. Yeah, since it's here, it's easier, it might be easier to watch it, but maybe not. That's it. Take it down that way and turn it around and bring it back. Go over to the left more. That's it. That's it. Now take it straight. That's it.
Oops, I went front. Like
That's
that.
okay.
That's so weird.
And don't get too close to them trees. Turn it.
It is turned.
Don't push it forward. You're pushing it forward.
Doing?
Turn it.
Turn it what way? I don't know
Whatever
what
way, it doesn't matter. Watch it. That's it. Alright, now stop it and push it forward with the right. That's it. Keep pushing forward. What?
Oh, I thought it was facing us. Oh.
Maybe the
Okay.
signal's not real good or something.
Okay, I don't want to do it anymore.
Okay, just pull down on the lever and hold it down. Hold it all the way down. Just keep holding it till it stops, and you'll know when it stops. Just keep holding it down. Keep holding it down. Just keep holding it. There you go, let it go.
Did I hit that?
Yep, turn that off and hold that for 3 seconds. That turns that off. And you did it.